CCD3 calibration. First, click Top Camera Calibration. Click in place of camera coordinates 4 and let camera go to point 4. Click Paraxial Camera Calibration. Enable cross and click execution of single capture. Okay, this is the point we made earlier. Save coordinates. Only after save coordinates, we can start later step. Click Template area to draw a template box. Box center should be aligned with cross center. Right-click to complete. Click Create Template. Zoom in a little and click Search to draw a searching box. A little bigger box. Right-click to complete. Click Start Calibration. It will automatically find the coordinates. Calibrate 9-point grid coordinates. Calibration accuracy here should be less than 0.05. Save task. The calibration for paraxial camera is done.